Hi, I want to talk to you quickly about week 1 and then set up week 2 for you. In week 1, we looked at paragraphs and how to write strong paragraphs using subject first in the sentence, strong verbs, and writing concisely so that there is no wordiness in our paragraphs. Keep that momentum going as you get into week 2, where we look at analyzing what we read in print. So obviously, as we write and research in college, we need to have good critical analytical skills. So that's what we're working on this week. You can click here to see your reading assignments, and it includes the thesis handout because I want you to get a good review of what you probably learned in Written Composition 1 about thesis statements, and they shouldn't be a question, they shouldn't contain too many points in them, etc. So read that so you have a good understanding. I want to make sure you know how to see my feedback on your written assignments, so there's a quick video here that discusses that as well. I do use Turnitin to grade. So to see my feedback, you need to go back to your file submission and click on this blue pencil, and it'll bring up for you comments that I've left within your text as well as a small note that I've left for you. Contact me if you're not seeing that. Quizzes are here. Again, for some reason, they're set for Friday at 8 o'clock. I just graded all your quizzes. I can still see your points, so if you take the quiz after Friday at 8 o'clock, it's not a problem. Going forward, I'm going to try to make sure weeks 3 through 6 do not have that problem. Your quick start is here. After you read in your chapters about rhetorical analysis, you'll go through a quick start. This is not busy work. This is a way to help you organize your thoughts and ideas before you write. I've never built a house, but maybe some of you have, or you know someone who has, and there's always a blueprint. Can you imagine if the contractor showed up with a truckload of lumber and some nails and he goes, I'm just going to start hammering and nailing and we're just going to see what comes out of it, and I hope you like it. That's kind of a good analogy to writing a paper. We don't want to just put a bunch of words together and string some sentences together and hope that we like it. There should be some sort of a plan together, a step-by-step plan. And the framing needs to come first, and then the sheetrock, the framing, the roof, the sheetrock, the trim, the paint. There's an order to it. So we need to make sure that our writing is orderly and that we follow a plan for it so that we have a good product in the end. So these quick starts take you through that. This is a document to show you the quick start. You can just click on it and fill in your information. I've uploaded what your annotation should look like. It's part of preparing to analyze an article. We discuss analysis here in the forum. I'm looking forward to that. Once you've written a draft of your analysis essay, and you might need to click down here to read fully what that assignment looks like, upload your draft to Pearson Writer. You will not see this in the syllabus because it's not worth points, but I do want to show you what it looks like because I know that it will be helpful. So when you log into Pearson Writer, on the left side, you'll copy and paste your draft into Pearson Writer. And from there, you'll be able to see something like this. So this is a student who's uploaded an analysis essay. Here's the comments. This is what I want to see. It's not worth a grade, but it helps me see where you are, how concise you're being with your words. We worked on that week 1. Some grammar we worked on week 1 as well. So this gives me an idea of where everyone is, and I'll also give you feedback so that you can enhance your writing from week to week and make the best grade you can on your paper. After you do that and you clean up your work, then you submit your essay here. So there should be enough information here to guide you, but I know sometimes a little extra guidance is necessary, and I'm here for that phone call, Zoom session so that we can see each other on video and I can share my screen or email. Any of that works. So have a great week, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks.